We're out here with Matt Wideman of Newmark, talking about secondary markets. What are you seeing out there in the secondary, tertiary markets?
Yeah, from a demand perspective, there's still a lot of renting going on in the secondary markets. The meta narrative on the state of Texas is still very robust. There's over 600,000 jobs created in the state last year, which, when you look at that from a state-by-state comparison, I think we were the #1 in the country. Dallas-Fort Worth was 230 some odd thousand of that, which is more than 46 states in the union, which is crazy to think about. And so a lot of that has spilled over to the secondary markets, and the secondary markets didn't have the supply pipeline. The DFW's got 60,000 units under construction right now. I think 40,000 of those are supposed to deliver this year. Secondary markets maybe have 1 or 2 in each pocket that are getting delivered, and so there's not a lot of oversupply. So the Class A, B, and C, we think, have still strong rent growth potential, and the value add stories are actually working in those markets because there's been no new supply added.
Yeah, I mean, I think sometimes when we're sitting in Dallas, we forget how good Texas is. When you come to like a national convention like this, and you talk to people about California or the coast or some of these more expensive markets, you forget how good the story is in Texas.
That's right. When you think about like a place like Waco, our parents' generation only knew Waco as the Branch Davidians. Our generation only knows Waco because of HGTV. And you think about it, there's all these people from all over the country moving to Waco because of two couples story that happened there. And I think that's true going on in all these secondary markets within the state. I mean, there's a lot of people moving here from all over the country with remote working and all these other possibilities. These markets have just exploded. And so I think there's still a lot of room to run.
Wait for the upcoming listing, Waco, Texas.